a swinger. You're in the Five Guys. Yeah, you can't hear me anyways. Sorry. One of the Five Guys commercial. Such a big because they're everywhere. That's pretty cool.